and do a presentation on the HP collaboration solutions that's available today. There's some really good stuff in here that goes into the smart meeting room space. So I'll pass over to you, Matthew, to run through your slides.
Yeah, thank you very much, Lee. So I'll try to be as fast as possible. So very much thank you first for hosting me, and thank you for the participant to be with us today. I'm very happy to talk and take you through the collaboration portfolio offering of HP. So let me start first with a bit of context of how we see collaboration with HP and what you can expect from HP through the data for the coming months. So collaboration first for us happens everywhere and will continue to increasingly happen anywhere and in a more flexible way. When we think of collaboration at HP, we're really truly trying to providing better customer experiences across all spaces. And our ambition is to deliver technologies through our devices, which you know very well, like PC, desktop, but also meeting room solution that will help people to connect and collaborate securely and seamlessly wherever they are. And so while we appreciate that the need for collaboration has changed significantly over the past 18 months, and with the surge of collaboration, cloud-based apps, the standardization of videos in meetings, there are absolutely great opportunities to help companies outfitting their meeting room spaces so they are truly geared to the new standards of collaborations. We are running very regularly research towards companies CIO, and we had one very recent that we conducted out of the UK and the US, and there are great news out of this. The first is that IT continues to expect increased spend in 21 and 22, between, let's say, 44 up to 57% of them, depending on company sizes. The other thing is that out of the main changes which are expected within the next 12 months, 57% of them expect to upgrade and outfit conference room technologies. And more specifically to the video conferencing technologies, 7 in 10 companies plan to increase investment in those technologies within the next 6 months. So that's a great opportunity ahead. So moving to the HP collaboration offering, you may know us more probably from the printing and PC side, but we have a collaboration portfolio, and we are making a lot of investment to continue developing a product and solution roadmap for the coming year. So you should expect HP in the long haul in this business with the idea of delivering smarter conferencing, which are more powerful, intuitive, and smart, so that they do more for the users and they will do more also for ITDMs by providing plenty of analytics. So that the vision we are trying to deliver against our product portfolio for the coming quarters and the coming years. So there are plenty of great things that you can expect from HP. When we look now more specifically at what we have today in terms of conference room portfolio with Teams Room and TrueTech Data, we have the HP Elite Slice product family, which is made up of 3 main flavors of slice coming from the very much same concept of simplicity, scalability, and versatility, but which have 3 flavors to better accommodate to the space, sizes, and to the type of integrations you want to have in the meeting room. So the 3 products we have is the Elite Slice G2, which is an all-in-one MTR devices, perfectly designed for small and medium room conference sizes, right? Which are perfect for experiences where you want the audio to be at the center of the table, right? So with this type of product, you just need a video camera and of course a display, and you're good to go for equipping completely a meeting room. That's the Slice G2. Then we have a product which is the Elite Slice G2 Audio Ready, and you have the part number here, which is again from the same concept, but from the difference from the G2 is that We continue to use the same compute. We continue to use the same center of room display. It comes also the video ingest, but we sliced off basically the audio module. So you need to bundle this product with a soundbar so that you have a complete solution. And this product is probably the most versatile product we have. It spans across small, medium, and large rooms, right? And you just need to gear up the AV peripheral depending on the let's say the juice you need for equipping the meeting room sizes you have to equip. And this product is perfect for what we call front of room audio experience, definitely with soundbar. I will be showing you some of the typical configuration you can purchase from Tech Data with these 3 products. And more recently, we've added a simple product, which is fundamentally the compute element of the Slice family in the form of the Elite Slice G2 Partner Ready. And I will be talking in a few minutes about the specific partnerships that we have worked out with the likes of Logitech through Tech Data. Right, so that's the product family as it is today. What you can expect also from HP within the coming, let's say, weeks is also additional activities and product introduction. One of the important one we have is the large format displays. We are a big fan of interactivity, and we believe that bringing interactivity in the meeting room will unlock extremely sophisticated and value-added workflows. And that's why we're bringing these technologies through a portfolio of dedicated large format displays. There will be a specific content in a few minutes around this. And then we are going to have specific partnerships with famous and highly regarded brands of the AV space, from Logitech, Bose, and there are also other things that will come in the coming weeks. But let's concentrate on what you can purchase within the coming, let's say, weeks from Tech Data for equipping your customers. So if I just want to spend a bit of time now before we talk about specific configurations you can get. Just want to cover briefly what makes the Slice different and what are the key selling items and points of our Slice family. The very first is the versatility of the product offering. You may hear very often that any device is good to go from small, medium, and large space, but with the design of Slice, the fact that we are building a compute element and a center of room control, which is not completely integrated within the same bezel, I think we provide highly flexibility, and you can mount, position the Slice wherever you need it to be positioned and mounted in any types of room. So the versatility and the flexibility is absolutely a key selling point for Slice. If you want center of room experience, if you want front of room, if you have a table close to your wall, or if you need the Slice to be mounted behind a display or under a table to lower the profile of the hardware on the table, this is possible with the Slice. So you have many different ways of integrating nicely the product to provide a high top-notch integration. So that's one key element of the offering. The second element of the offering is the high level of security we provide. We are probably one of the most secure MTR device available in the market today, thanks to specific dedicated HP technologies, which we call HP Sure Start, which provides you with a BIOS level security. We are the only one in the place offering a security level at BIOS, not at software or application, but down, further down, right, which is providing you increased security. Because we know that those devices are sitting in places which are not always attended. They welcome external participants coming with a laptop that can be connected. So they are a weak point in the overall security chain. And so if you have customers which are very sensitive to the security, with HP Elite Slice, you have really the perfect solution for providing that security level. But when we think also about security, there's a software element to it. The second element is the physical security that we provide to the system. And so with the HP Elite Slice, we have a way of managing, the cables and securely connect the cables to the compute unit through the port cover, which provides you a very strong physical security to the system, and also a very nice way of managing the cable in a neat way, preventing employees to tamper the cable. So security is not just at a software BIOS level, but it's also a physical security that we provide to the system. And we know ITDMs are generally very stressed by having breaks in the meeting room. So that's the second key selling point of the Slice. And then the third would be very much about the simplicity of the design of the solution. So it's a turnkey solution. It comes with Microsoft Teams rooms already preloaded on the app, on the hard drive, and it's super easy to deploy and then to manage, as easy as a PC can be. It integrates within all the Microsoft MDM and admin portal. We provide also additional add-on and kits for further enhancing the ease of policy and security management through our HP Manageability Integration Kit. So super simple to administrate, provision, use, right? Because it's a purpose-built device. And the last thing would be that we appreciate also that it's important that those spaces, we understand what's happening in those spaces. And so we have also an offering through HP TechPulse, which allows ITDMs to do proactive management through very dedicated analytics. So I will have a specific slide on this. So to sum up, high versatility, super flexible, highly secured, simple to use, and very simple to manage. So when we look at the typical configuration that you can have through Tech Data with our HP Elite Slice, I have 3 slides to just illustrate the types of configuration you want. So with the Elite Slice G2, which comes with the audio module, as I said earlier, you just need the webcam, right? The camera. And we present here a specific camera that you can purchase, which are different depending on the room size. So here we are definitely promoting experiences where the audio module is at the center of the table and in a tabletop types of integration. The most versatile types of configuration that you will ever be able to have from HP will be through with the HP Elite Slice G2 Audio Ready, which you need to bundle with soundbar. So either coming from Logitech or to Bose, which are 2 specific partners we have, right? And which you can purchase from. We are very happy to have those partners, which provides top-notch technologies, super great design, and it allows you to have plenty of different options for integration. If you choose, sailing integration, or if you prefer to have the soundbar above or beneath the display, I mean, you have everything you possibly can dream of here with this type of configuration. So this is what you can get with the Elite Slice G2 Audio Ready. One of the things that adds versatility to the system is that we have also accessories that allows you to have a bit more, length between the compute element and the center of room control. From, let's say, out of factory, it's 1.3 meter, but we have options for 5 meter, 15 meter cable, so that you can absolutely find the right integration of your room. And you can also mount securely, the compute element of the Slice behind displays or under a table with Beza plate. Specifically with Logitech and available very soon at Tech Data, in the UK will be the partnership we have with their TAP controller, and where we bundle our Elite Slice G2 partner ready, right? So this is fundamentally the compute element of the slice, which still provides you the compute, let's say, technologies HP is able to provide with the security, because that product comes with HP Sure Start, also combined, of course, with the Logitech TAP controller. So as you know, this bundle will be available through Take Data as a hard bundle, and should be available very soon. You need, of course, to complete and complement the solution with the AV peripherals from Logitech. So available within the coming weeks for you. And last, in terms of product offering, I wanted also to stress again that, I mean, bringing interactivity in the meeting room, as I said at the beginning, is a great way to unlock sophisticated workflows and to allow remote participants to participate in meetings where you need to do brainstorming, where you need to work on same document and provide, you know, co-annotation or ideation types of workflows. And having these types of technologies in the meeting rooms are, of course, very critical. They work marvelously within Teams rooms environments. And so we are bringing these technologies in the form of 3 products, 3, let's say, large format displays, 65, 75, and 86 inch. You have the part numbers on the upper right side of the slide. Okay. The value here is that, so we are taking the technologies of highly regarded brands like Avocor, but we are providing, you know, an ease of ordering through HP part number. We provide our HP warranty and also the support line, which means that in case of an issue, you just need to call one number, that's the HP number, and we'll manage the support and provide our warranty, which is a global warranty. So this is a great partnership that we are very happy to announce and to make available to the market through Take Data. It's already available. The last thing which I want to leave you with in terms of, you know, a current offering is the service element of the service side. So we generally always talk about, you know, bringing hardware into the meeting room, but being able to, you know, provision, administrate, and get analytics from those fleet of remote devices is increasingly important. And so today we have an offering through HP Tech Pulse, which allows ITDMs to have a lot of insight and reporting of the devices wherever they are, right? So this is available today, and it brings you analytics not only on the slice, but in April, we are launching an enhanced service that embrace also the peripherals attached to the slice. And so what I want to leave you with is that this technology and platform that we have with HP Tech Pulse will serve as the platform for, in the coming weeks, coming months, by the end of the year, to significantly increase the number of reporting that you will get, so that it's not just the slice, but the peripherals, but also the display, the network, and it will be, and it is already, agnostic to the brand. So it's not just the HP peripheral that we would detect, but any types of brand, which I think is a great value proposition. So this is the journey we have on the service side. And by the end of the year, just to give you some early, let's say, sneak peek, there will be a strong manageability element added to this reporting piece of Tech Pulse, so that you have an end-to-end solution for completely administrating your HP Elite Slice product in any meeting rooms you have deployed the product with. So last not least, in terms of warranty and support, HP provides 3 years warranty, global warranty. We have also a dedicated, you know, service line just for collaboration product, which is available every day from Monday to Friday with a specific number for the European countries. And we're also adding for the partners a specific, let's say, pre-sales, let's say, line at our info center, so that if you have any questions and pre-sales support needs, we can answer that very rapidly. So that's the end of my presentation. So I hope you have a good view of what we have today in terms of hardware and service and what we aim at delivering within the coming weeks and months. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Matthew. I think you'd all agree that there's some great products there to fulfill the whole meeting room. I'm just going to move over to Sam now. Sam, are you able to share your slides?
Yeah, all good. Perfect. Hopefully everyone can see that.
Yep, that's
perfect.
great.
So yeah, so we've had a brief overview or an overview, sorry, of the products today and the collaboration devices that we can use to go into the meeting rooms, and they're all brilliant. And we need to kind of illustrate today how we can utilize the HP Amplify partner programs to enable yourself and your sales teams to go out and make the most of the HP offerings and take them to market. So I'm here today to go through that. My name's Sam, basically, and I manage the HP PC and notebook side of things here at Tech Data. So what is the Amplify Partner Program? So it's created to enable the partner community to basically manage HP business easier. Not only does it do this, but it helps provide partners with a clear path to ready their business and succeed. The HP Partner Portal is a wealth of knowledge that keeps HP partners up to date with emerging trends and customer buying journeys. So the benefits. So the beginning partner status with HP is a business partner. As you can see in the bottom right corner, there's no minimum spends or requirements to become a HP business partner. It's just a simple sign up, to the portal. In my opinion, the greatest assets that you'll have access to when you do become a business partner is the three I've circled at the top. And this is the HP sales team, essentially. They're a team of people that are on hand and available whenever you need them to help with all kinds of different things, be it supporting on product queries, be it getting bid support for end user opportunities, or training your staff on various tools that HP have to offer. Other things that are available to yourselves once you do become a business partner is HP certifications, as you can see bottom right, as well as access to the HP Sales Central tool. I actually have a live demo at the end of my slides that I'm just going to take a bit of time to go through how I use it and how you guys can use it to navigate finding certain products or attach options for certain HP slices. What I did also want to add is that the process to become a business partner can take a bit of time. So I'd recommend that, today, tomorrow, or whenever you do have time, that you get this done sooner rather than later, because you don't want to be in a situation where you have a time critical opportunity and have to kind of go through the process then. So it's good to get it set up early rather than when it's too late. So as we move up the partner program, the first level, when your spend increases, is a synergy partner. And this gives you all the benefits that you've seen on the previous slide, be it, the team, the HP sales team, to get information on products and access to HP Sales Central or bids, but it does give you more. So it increases your level of access within the HP Partner Portal, allowing you to download marketing content perhaps to put on your website so you can illustrate the benefits of HP slices, or be it raising your own bids, so you're not dependent or reliant on anyone else to do that. You can do it in your own time. You can raise them and get the price in there and then. There is, as I mentioned, a threshold to get into this category, and it's around $250K per year, which does sound like a lot, but there are other ways of getting there, and it does give you base compensations off the back of this. So HP Sales Central, a bit of a live demo. Hopefully, but though you have enjoyed the benefits of becoming a HP partner and you start to understand, why you should be one. So don't worry about Googling the link right now. I'm sure straight away after this, I can send it out and send it to all of you. So I'm just going to take a bit of time to go through HP Sales Central now. Hopefully you can all see the website, fingers crossed. This is it, basically. This is you know, the fountain of all knowledge, I like to call it. It's, you know, here at Tech Data, all the salespeople are geared up and trained on this, because it does help enormously. So I noticed on the slides earlier, one of the part codes, for example, was 5JG14EA, which you can search. You know, it's popped up here. It's the HP Elite Slice G2 audio ready. Or if you didn't know the part code, you can simply just put HP Elite, HP Slice. And it brings up all the part codes. So I'm just going to go to the one that we were speaking about, so I can just show what the tool can do. So as you can expect, it's got a picture of the product. It's got all the kind of key information that's relevant to the product. You know, what connectivity it's got, for example, you know, how much RAM it's got, you know, all the good things that you'd expect from all that kind of stuff. So something else that it's got is you can download assets and imagery of the product. You know, if you want to show the product off, you know, if you can't get your hands on one, if you just want to, you know, send a picture across to the customer so they can see what it looks like. You can see all the various attach options that you can put within the slice, as well as various monitors, the services. You know, we're talking about the DAS offerings, you know, the device as a service offerings on the final slide of the previous section, and this is all in there. You know, it's very easy. You can compare various slice products so you can get a feel for what the different ones do, and it's just a very good tool, you know, for anyone to use to be able to find the relevant product and product information to go away and sell on HP. And that was it from my side of things. A short and sweet one. Like I said, I can send out the link so you can get yourself set up, so you can have access to all these tools and the benefits that I've shown today. And I hope you enjoy it.
Thank you, Sam. Yes, like Sam said, we can get that link sent out, so you got access and you can sign up to that, and potentially share a link to the presentation that was done today from Matthew and Sam. I can't see any questions at the bottom, so unless anyone has got any questions, come through. Let's give it a minute. Nope, it don't look like it. So thanks again for your time today. We'll send out a link to the HP portal and the presentation. And yeah, have a good day.
Thank you.
Everyone.